Hello everyone, I'm here to share the final photo folio. This is Photo Folio Style 6 and Photo Folios is a National Scrapbook Day event that I'm hosting along with Kathryn of Kathryn Scraps. Don't miss my class May 2nd at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for my photo folios, and then May 3rd at 2 p.m. Eastern Time is Kathryn's class for her photo folios. So here, let me take you through this last one so you can see how fabulous it is. And I've got a little bonus for you all. So this is Style 6, and this is featuring the another pink Paislee line. This is the Hello Sunshine collection, and I will have a kit for this, guys, if you are interested. You can find that on my blog. So this one opens up just like a regular folder, and you get to see this lovely, lovely spread. So this is all about uh, pictures and incorporating those lovely cards that we get in the pocket style scrapbooking, such as these, the 4x6s, and the 3x4s that you'll see around here. So to start you off, you have this angle pocket here, which also has another opportunity for an insert up here. All right, this is one entire piece that opens up like so, and you get this spread on the other side. This has two large, very large pockets for photo mats, as you can see right here. Photograph, photograph. Over here, you can do portrait style photograph here, or just do lots of photo mats in this giant pocket. What I love about the sizing in the pockets here, guys, is that I sized the pockets specifically to work back with these pocket scrapbooking style cards that you see right here, such as Project Life. This is a We Are Memory Keepers card, and that comes in your kit, guys. I don't know what the name is right now off the top of my head, but it's got these really cool frames that you can put a picture in there, or if you glue them down a specific way, you can totally use them as an opportunity for an insert like that. So that just looks, I think that looks great. Looks like a lot of fun. And that, of course, closes up nice and tidy to just keep all of those items in there nice and secure. And again, you get this generous size pocket here, and then your slant pocket. So not just giving you a slant pocket and letting everything just kind of hang out there. You get some more structure with this pocket up here, which I like that detail right there. And if that were not enough on this left hand side over here, I give you this beautiful, beautiful envelope. All right, and I say beautiful because look at this. It's an expandable envelope. If you look at the side, see how much that expands? It's an expandable envelope that also opens up to show even more goodness. But like I'm all about making things functional, and not only just for pictures, but for us, for the viewer, this comes out. All right, so you don't have to kind of fumble with your envelope to get all of the stuff out of there. Look at my entire hand, and part of my arm fits in there. It's just a fantastic way. This is kind of like the catch-all piece right here. If you got some things that are not necessarily fitting in these areas over here, then you want to put it in your catch-all envelope right here. So then it pulls back down to reveal this. You can turn it landscape like so, or you can just do it at the portrait style, and it flips over once again, and you get this really beautiful spread over here. This pocket right here has giant photo mats, which you can do portrait style photographs like the way I've matted here, or you can do it up like this if you break it up for the 4x6s, both in the portrait and the landscape style. And the beauty about these photo mats, and look at this gorgeous spread you get here. Oh, I forgot to mat something. This is also a pocket right here. Totally forgot to mat that, but I will do that. And then you open it up and you get that. So the beauty about these photo mats is that they also fit right in here as well. So you don't have to worry about what size is this, what size is that. Everything is sort of kind of interchangeable. All right, so these fit in there beautifully, and I love that. So if you want to do photo mats, you know, the plain back there, what's wonderful, super wonderful about this is that these are perfect for school, school memories. You can create 12 uh, folios, and I have 6, so you can do 2 of each style. You would create 12, put them in the gift in the box that that I'm creating for this, and you have the entire school year that will accommodate the 8 by 10s, the 5 by 7s, the report cards, the paintings, the drawings, and all of that really fun stuff. So I really love this design, and if you've looked at my other videos, you know that it works back with everything. This totally fits in any of the other designs, all right? This expandable envelope. And if that were not enough, okay, and oh, and also you can put 2 envelopes in here if you want it. One coming out from the bottom and one from the top, okay? And it totally fits and it totally works because I've created 2, and I'll show you. If I can find the opening, that would be very most helpful. So there's the opening, right? So you can have one on the top and one on this other side. So you can do 2 of these. And if that were not enough, you get this beautiful portrait area here that you can use for a large photograph, or you can break it up like you see right here. Okay, and my most favorite thing in the whole wide world is my hidden page. So of course I had to do it up once again here for you all. And I've got my paper sorter over here. I'll show you very quickly. When I'm matting, I put everything in this paper sorter, and it takes up like half of my desk. So let me move that out of the way. So if that were not enough, guys, you get this beautiful, beautiful, and that opens up one more time. Just spread here, guys, once again, as I've said in all now 6 videos to tell the story. And look at all of the pictures that you can get in this thing. And you just flip it over to the back side and look at what you get over here. And another pocket, which coincidentally, guess what fits in there? All right. The photo mats all fit back. I didn't check. This one doesn't, not the large one, but the 2 small ones do. All right, fit back perfectly in here. And it's just so perfect, guys. All right. I absolutely love this Folio Style 6. This is it's very hard for me to name this one because of what I did for you all. I promised you all something. For those of you who attend my, I call it class, but it's a workshop. It's kind of like a virtual crop where I'm working on one of my projects. And it's in my classroom right on my website. If you click on my website and then you click on the, in the menu bar class, every Friday I'm there at 7 o'clock. Central Time, and I promised that I was going to do a pregnancy journal. All right, so what I did, this goes like this. You can close it any way, this way and this way, but I did this. All right, so I promised everyone a pregnancy journal, and I'm going to show you what I did. All right, it's not completely decorated because I just haven't had the time to do it. However, hopefully I'll get it done before the National Scrapbook Day class. So let me show you that. But this is Foto Folios Style 6. Let's call this for now the single fold. All right, the single fold folio, because it's just a single fold. And let me show you what I did. So with this same exact style and principle, design principle here, I created an amazing pregnancy journal that will take you through day 1 all the way through however many days is through the 9-month 3-year trimesters. All right, this is like the perfect gift. I love that it's not a mini album, and I love that you can expand this as much as you want to. Okay, so this is what I'm calling the triple folio. And it's exactly the same thing that you saw over there, but it opens up like this in 3 areas, which give you opportunities to expanding folders. These are the expanding folders, all right, for 9 months. Okay, and again, these come out so you don't have to worry about fumbling with all of this stuff. You get pockets for landscape style photographs, pockets over here, and one of these pockets are done up. As soon as I can find it, I'll show you. But, oh, here we go. And you can do that sort of spread right here. You get the fabulous expanding pockets, all right, or envelope, whatever you want to call it. And of course, you get the hidden page, all right. You get the hidden page, but I did something different on this one, which you can repeat in style 1. All of these elements will be in the tutorial, so don't worry, you're not missing out on anything. So what I did for this, being that this is going to have, you're going to need more pockets, I think, for this, for inserts and stuff like that. So I did a pocket here in the center area, and then I also did a cascading, some cascading photo mats, and I finished it off with a pocket on the top. So this is the triple folio. All right, so you get exactly the same thing in all 3 panels. You can do one expanding folder if you wanted to, or you can do the 2 like I've done here. And here's the center panel right here. Same idea, but I promised a pregnancy project, and here it is, guys. It's the triple folio, and once again, you can, I can't wait to finish this up. And you can expand this as much as you need to if you're going to load it up with whatever. If it's a gift, then you know you want to leave some room for decorating. I gave myself plenty of room, so once I mat and do all that good stuff, it's going to be a perfect thickness, as opposed to having this fold right here, because this fold actually expands, and that's what gives you all of the room that you need. So and if you wanted to incorporate right here in this panel, if you wanted to incorporate this left-hand side element that we see right here, you can totally do this right here in this panel. Okay, so this is the pregnancy folio, and I'm sure I'm going to call it something else, but it's featuring the BoBunny baby bump collection. I will have kits for this one as well. If you are interested, all you have to do is hop on over to my blog and check it out. Look at how fabulous this is. I love the way it feels. I love the way it's structured. Last thing to share with you all will be the storage box. This will have its own sizing for a storage box. All right, so you will also get the dimensions to store this one in its own storage box, okay? So for the storage box, you will have 3 sizes. One for 12, one for 6, and one for this single one right here, because this is just the mother of all folios right here. So I'm super excited, guys. Make sure that you join me, and I'm saying yes, I'm saying make sure because you don't want to miss it, that you join me May 2nd at 7 p.m. Central for Photo Folios on the Paper Phenomenon channel. All you have to do is go to my blog and click on Classroom, and I will see you all there at 7 p.m. Central. Check out the kits, guys, and pick up the tutorial. This is like the best deal ever. You're going to love it. I'm going to also link you to Kathryn Scraps website so you can check her folios out as well, because they are just fabulous as well. See you all on Friday.